Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I show you how to share and send your location within WhatsApp. So here we are. I'm going to open up the WhatsApp application on my phone, and you want to go into your chats wherever you want to go ahead and send the location, whoever you want to send it to, and then go ahead and start typing messages. So basically you would act as if you're sending a message to someone, and then you hit the plus symbol to the left of the message to bring up your options, and you're going to see a bunch of different options. The one you want to select here is location, and then it will bring up a map with your current location with the option to send that current location to that person. So if we swipe up here, you can see that we can send current location, or we can share live location. If we go and tap into share live location, it lets you know that by doing this, it will let this person know exactly where you are for the time frame that you give them. So in order to do this, you have to enable basically location services on your device. So you may have to go to settings here, and then under the WhatsApp settings where it says location, you will have to change that to always. That way you can go ahead and share your live location. And you'll be able to share your live location for 15 minutes, 1 or 8 hours, and you can add a caption by tapping into add caption, and you can put whatever you want to put here, right? So anything in the captions that you want. And then what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and tap send. So select what you want, tap send, and then when you tap send, it'll show them basically a map where they can tap on that map and basically find your location, whether it be live or where you want it to be kind of stagnant, by just tapping on that option there and finding you on the map. A very easy way for people to locate you, or for parents to make sure they know where their kids are. So if you have any questions about sharing your location on WhatsApp, just go ahead and put those in the comment section below. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.